YouTube, what's going on? This is JT Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Black in my garage time. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our new my garage time. Merry Christmas to you all and a happy 40th birthday to me. Yep, my birthday is on Christmas Day. I thank God for it. All right, so I have this Peterbilt 359 in front of me. Finally done with it. It took me a couple of weeks to do it, simply because my time was limited. Um, I built this truck. I posted a video about a week ago. I built this truck out of memory of my uncle. He was a truck driver for a long time, and um, he also owned his own trucking company. So it was in my heart to build this truck out of memory of him. He was a real big Saints fan. So that's why the truck is black and gold. Up here, his Louisiana logo, and it says "Damn if you do, damn if you don't," which is one of his favorite sayings in the situation. Depending on the situation. But um, yeah. So y'all see the interior in the pictures. The cab has, the sleeper has, the sleeper has Saints bedspread, pillow, entry rug, and wall decor. So, all right. So real quick, let's get into this review on this Peterbilt 359. All right. So overall, the kit, perfect kit. Everything fits. Everything has a place for it to fit. You can't put no parts on wrong, unless you're just not paying attention, because everything has its own fit. I did have a few parts left over. I don't even know where they go. I didn't even see no place for them. I looked at the instructions over and over again. I think one of them is a starter, because I noticed the engine didn't have a starter on it, so that may have been it. I don't know. I'm not going to open the hood, but I have a picture of the engine. I'm not going to open the hood because, for whatever reason, when I flip it over, it'll get caught up on that air clean over there, which is I can still open it, but and then it'll do something right up in here in the front. So I don't know. I'm not going to open it, but it's pictures of it. I also forgot to put the Cummins decal on the engine as well. So I chose the. Oh man, let me see where I want to start. Really. Um, so this truck had two different decal options. I could have went with the blue on the box art, or they had to go. Now, what I did notice that um, the decals are different. The blue ones are bigger than the gold ones, so um, it gives you in the instructions to give you instructions on how to place the blue decals in place. Uh, so on the go here, I decided to. I had to. I had to. I was trying to make sure it fit correctly here because you can tell right up in here on that one. That's how that's placed. I don't know if I could have took it down toward the front some more or what. I don't know. But anyway, I ended up measuring the decals, cutting them up, and putting them all the way down the side. And I didn't do the door handles because I wanted them to be black. Um, all this stuff was on the chrome tree. You got a fire extinguisher decal, but on the box art, it's over here. But on the instructions, it goes right here. So I don't know about. I don't know why is that. I had a little challenge putting on the mirrors, but they on there. Uh, I don't know what happened here with the Tamil accent paint. I don't know what happened. I don't even. I don't know. I tried to fix it, and it didn't work out. So you know, I did break a windshield wiper, but I glued it back. I painted my lights up here with the orange marker. It actually worked pretty good. I used it before. Let me see if I can show y'all right quick what I use on the tail lights. So all my amber lights, I use this marker here, a Bix marker, and the same with the red one for the tail lights. Um, it was a lot of errors had been made on this truck simply because I didn't know. When you start on a kit, you pretty much know what you can paint, what you can already put together. You know, uh, you pretty much know that. So with this truck, I didn't know. For instance, it just had so many parts. Like I could have painted my mud flaps together. They got a piece of mud flap up under here, mud flaps in the back. I could have painted all that stuff together. The windshield, I could have been installed the windshield in, but it says to do it. I was trying to follow instructions. Instructions were telling me to do it after, do it last. But I could have went ahead and glued those into place and then put the dashboard in because it tells you in the instructions to leave the driver's seat out, leave the steering wheel out, put the dashboard in, place the windows down. When I could have had room to actually work with them before I put anything in there and just go ahead and glue them down and then set the dashboard in place. The doors do open. I had issue with the hinges fitting. Um, Once it was on there, it started when you open the door. The door was sagging, so I don't know what was the deal with it. I guess I didn't do a very good job of test fitting. But now I know next time I can go ahead and put all that stuff into place, and then I can go and paint it. That way I don't have to worry about trying to make it stick. Through the when you put glue on the paint, it melts it and makes it difficult for it to stick. So next time I already know I can put all that stuff together and just go and paint it. Another error I did was I glued I glued the cab and the sleeper together. You know, that was supposed to be done last. I'm guessing. Um, yeah. So I had a lot of parts on here. I didn't really know where they went. Here's a thing here that I noticed. The ladder is way underneath here. There's no way you can climb on this and then climb up here. On the truck, it's farther out over here. So that was one thing I noticed about the kit. Uh, the tires did pretty good. The tires have a washer in between them. You had to paint those black too as well. Here I have some classic 359 decals. I stuck one right here and the one on the other side, and then the other two I put back here on the mud flaps. Uh, so these black brackets right here, those are two of the pieces that I had left over, and I don't know where they went. So I just they got a little mold, two little molds on behind this that sticks out a little bit, not even an inch, but it wasn't enough for this chain to sit on. So I just these pieces here had holes in the middle, so I just glued them onto there and just threw the chain over 'em. Shit, that worked out perfect. Um, these wires here, it came with wires. It wants you to twist them up on something small and to make it crinkle up like that. But it's three of them. But I just set them right behind here, and they're just hanging right there. So that's supposed to be your air hoses and stuff like that for your air brakes and stuff like that that goes to your trailer. I did these tail lights with this red marker, which they turned out perfect. Um, these mud flaps are two different pieces because yeah, two different pieces because this chrome piece glues on there too as well. It glues on the bottom of here, and then you gotta put your decal on. And I got those two decals on it. You have your spotlights here at the top. Overall, it was a very, very easy kit. Especially to somebody that know what they're doing. Uh, like I say, the instruction tell you where everything go, and there's no wrong way to put it. You know, these air cleaners. This gold was done with a Sharpie marker. Um, yeah, and the interior is just regular interior, it's just all black. I do now on the dash. I had to sand the dashboard down because it had gauges molded into the dash. So I had to sand all that down so I can apply the decals to it and make it have a wood grain look. And like I say, I had to cut up all my decals to make them fit and measure them. I think if you use the other ones, you would have to paint the truck, apply the decals, and then start putting other stuff, adding other stuff onto it because it's got it to where to go around this hole and on the other side of this breather. Um, and fireworks if y'all hear that. So yeah, but this truck it turned out good. It's going in the house on the shelf. I'm glad to be done with it so I can move on to my next project. But it was in my heart to do this truck, and me and real my uncle. Um, I think he would have loved it. He would have had me building different stuff after he figured out I started building model cars. He would have had me building all kind of stuff, all kind of ways. So yeah. But yeah, so thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate all y'all commenting, liking, and sharing, and stuff like that. I really, really appreciate it. Um, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Uh, I'm going to start. I'm going to start on it here pretty soon. For 500, when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm working on it. I'm getting there. But I'll be doing a giveaway. Uh, it'll be a gift card to Hobby Nut. Hobby Nut is what it is. Yeah, I'll be doing a gift certificate uh, to there, and what'll happen is you will get email the winner, whoever whatever name get pulled. I will send you guys an email with all the information for your gift card. So I'll get more information later on down the line. I'm gonna get ready to take it in. Once again, thank you all to my subscribers and new subscribers, and you all enjoy this Christmas. Be safe, eat plenty of food. Uh, yeah, and let's get ready to get this day out the way, and then New Year's will come up, and I'm also going to be doing a video on. I want to do a 2023 recap video because, like I said, this is my first year. I haven't even made a full year of building models. To those of you who don't know, because I know I got a lot of new subscribers. So I'll be doing a 2023 recap video. Like I said, I have work to do. I have to fix and do some repairs. I'll probably do that tomorrow, so I can get my case back right. Let's see. Um, and then also I will be doing a. I haven't decided, but I think I'm going to rebuild the kit I first started with, which is the 85 442. So I think I'm going to do that for the year anniversary for the channel. Uh, so yeah. So I got a few different things coming up, like I say. So y'all stay tuned and like, share, and subscribe if you're watching, if you're interested. I try to I like stock vehicles, so I mostly go for stock looks. I might add a little twist to them, but I mostly go for stock look vehicle. So uh, uh, yeah. Sorry, y'all. So that's it, and that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I say, you guys enjoy your family. Merry Christmas, and I will see y'all in the next go round.